Okay, in this lesson, we're going to be finishing up section 2.5, working with formulas and literal equations, which means we have equations with just variables, and we don't have numbers here. And the directions here are to solve each of the following for the indicated variable. Problem 1, I have x plus a equals c, and I'm solving for x. I need to get this x by itself, so I need to get rid of this plus a. Well, how do you get rid of plus a is you do the inverse of adding a, which is subtracting a. So you're going to subtract a from both sides of the equation. So on the left-hand side, the a's cancel out, and you just are left with x. And on the right-hand side, you have c minus a. And there's nothing that you can do to simplify that. The answer is just x equals c minus a. Problem 2, we have d equals r times t, and we're solving for r. So this r is being multiplied by t. So in order to get the r by itself, we need to undo multiplying by t. So we need to divide both sides of our equation by t. So I have d divided by t equals r. If you wanted to rewrite that with the r on the left-hand side, then you can do it that way as well. Okay, problem 3, I have ax plus by equals c, and I'm solving for y. So I need to get rid of the b, and I need to get rid of the ax. I'm going to get rid of the ax first. Remember that you get rid of what's added or subtracted first. So in order to get rid of that ax, I need to subtract it from both sides of the equation. And that leaves me with just by on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, I have c minus ax. So from here, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by b. So the b's cancel. So I have c minus ax divided by b. Problem 4, area equals 1/2 base times height, and I'm solving for b. I'm going to rewrite this just so we can see that we have a denominator here of 2, and I'm going to multiply both sides of my equation by that denominator in order to get rid of the fraction. So multiply the left side by 2, I get 2a. Multiplying the right side by 2, I end up with just b times h, and in order to get that b by itself, I need to divide both sides by h. So b equals 2a divided by h. In problem 5, I'm solving for w, and I need to get rid of the l and the h. They are both being multiplied. So I need to divide. Now we've got a couple of different options here. We can get rid of the L first, we can get rid of the H first, or we can get rid of them both at the same time. And because they're both being multiplied, I'm going to get rid of them both at the same time by dividing both sides of my equation by L and H. Right? So the L's cancel, the H's cancel. So W equals V divided by LH. Problem 6, I'm solving for L. So I need to get rid of the 2, and I need to get rid of the 2W. And I'm going to get rid of that 2W first. So subtract 2W from both sides. Now I need to get rid of the 2, so divide both sides of my equation by 2. So L equals P minus 2w divided by 2.